Welcome to the life of Archie. How y'all doing today? Y'all doing all right? All right, that's good. Y'all doing great. I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to hear that y'all doing good. That's good. Anyways, I went to Dairy Queen and I got the Oreo cookie hot fudge blizzard. You know, I went and picked one of those up, new. Want to see what it tastes like and whatnot. It got a peppermint too, but it didn't say new on the peppermint. It says new on this. So I figured I'd go pick it up, try it out, see how it tastes. And yeah, here we go. Bam. I got small. DQ. That's what I like about Texas. You know, you know. Had to bust it out for y'all one time. That's what I like about Texas. Think that's the song. DQs, you know. But they served it to me upside down. But hey, whoa, about to make a mess. Y'all seen that? Man, it was thick, but decided I go home. Still kind of thick. It's still kind of thick, but it has cookies and cream, marshmallows in it, you know, and whatnot. And I mean, as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see that white, and it was a marshmallow, but it ain't marshmallow no more. But it's nothing cookie and cream. And it has big chunks of Oreos in it. Oreo chunks are freaking huge. So you get Oreo in every bite. Uh, and it tastes just like it has a well, of course it has a chocolate. It tastes like I guess, hot cocoa, but it has a hot cocoa and cookies and cookies and cream because it's what just two combined together. I'm trying to subscribe to y'all the best I can, but it's what it says. It is. That's what it is. Mm. Okay. I mean, it's thick still. But it's melting. But yeah. So that's enough for that. No. So now y'all know what to do. Subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I need y'all to go ahead and just hit that button. Just hit that subscribe button so you can get that little bell, notification bell. So when I'm uploading a video, you go ahead and do that right now. And wait. And then on top of that, I need y'all to hit that like button or hit that thumbs down button or even put a comment below. That's what I need y'all to do if y'all can. That would be gladly appreciated if y'all could do that. And that's all I want y'all to do. I'm just trying to grow. Share this video, if y'all can. Just trying to grow. Just trying to grow on YouTube, Anyways, I'm rambling. Video's going on too long. So, yeah. Believe in yourself because you don't, nobody will. Peace.